Welcome to Modi's English class. Today I am starting an interesting chapter. What is the name of the chapter? So for all +2 second year students, it is an uphill task to find answers to this question. What is the question? How to crack 10 out of 10 in grammar. But this time the revised syllabus has given another difficult task. Why? Because this time grammar is 15. So how our students will secure 15 out of 15? So this is a challenge. So how to sort out this challenge? I have a special plan. I have a special solution. So when our students are getting a passage in the council, how to find out the mistakes? What are the formulas available? Let me tell you in detail. The first important point is that students have to read the passage with concentration. While reading, they should be alert. They should look at the passage with an eagle's eye. Their eyes are focused, mind having the concentration, thinking and looking what are the mistakes there. So what is the formula? The formula is that to read the passage with concentration and find out the grammatical errors available in the passage. What are the errors there? Errors of all nature. Prepositional errors there, tense error there, reported speech error there, voice change error there. So all sorts of traditional grammar mixed up that is available inside the passage. So the students should not be disheartened. Rather, if a student will practice at least 50 to 70 passages, definitely he will crack it or she will crack it. So now I will explain this thing in a grammatical passage where there are 10 mistakes available. So I have selected a small passage, but it's difficult for the student to find out the mistakes. So I will scan the passage, I will go to the detail of the passage line by line to find out what are the mistakes available. So let us start the correction of error from a passage which is really difficult. Now this is the title I have given here, all of you, correction of grammar from passage, and here I have written a passage, all of you look at it. So what's our job? Our job is to read the lines and find out the mistakes. So now I start the line. Please all of you look. This is the first line. The tiger is the national animal of a country. This is the first line. Look, what are the mistakes available? It doesn't appear any mistake to the students. Why? Because the line almost looks correct, but there is a mistake. What is that mistake? So it's the tiger. The tiger is the national animal of a country. So which noun it is? So tiger belongs to common noun. It's not the name of the tiger. Tiger, it's a species. That's why the is the mistake. The. So first mistake is the. So you should not apply the. So it's very tricky. Look at the line. So answer is tiger is the national animal of a country. So this is the first mistake. Now I am moving to the second line. All of you look at it. It is an endangered species. It is an endangered. There is no mistake. Why? Because endangered means really in danger. An is required. So here I don't find any mistake. I am moving to the second line. It is an endangered species, particularly white one. Do you find any mistake? Yes, there is a mistake. There is one mistake. What is that? White one. White one. So white one, it's a particular category. That's why we need to use definite article, because all of you know the rules of article. What are the rules of article? For definite, for particular, we have to use the definite article. So here the to be applied. So it is the second mistake. Mistake number 2. So mistake number 1 is here. The is deleted. Here only tiger. Because tiger is the common noun, we don't need to use the before the common noun. Tiger is the national animal of a country. It is an endangered species, particularly the white one. Now I am moving to the other line. Look at line. Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee displayed the picture of a tiger on his greeting cards at New Year's Day in 1999. Look at the line, all of you. Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee displayed the picture of a tiger on his greeting cards at New Year's Day in 1999. There are two mistakes in this line. So you have to find out there are two mistakes. What are the mistakes? Look at the line. Prime Minister, it is a designation, it is a post. So before designation, before post, we have to use the article, the definite article. So what is the answer? The answer is the Prime Minister. Answer is the Prime Minister. Atal Bihari Vajpayee displayed the picture of a tiger on his greeting card at New Year's Day. This is the other mistake. Look at New Year's Day. New Year's Day, that's a particular day. And before day, according to grammar rule, we have to use on. Okay, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on New Year's Day. That's why the preposition you know, that is on New Year's Day in 1999. In India, the most famous tiger sanctuary, the most famous tiger sanctuary is the Gir forest in Gujarat. Here there is no mistake. Like the leopard and the jaguar. So it's a particular category. That's why the is applied. The leopard, it's a particular category. The jaguar, it's a particular category. That's why name given. The jaguar, the tiger belongs with. Look at the line. Here there is a mistake. What is that mistake? So belongs with. Belongs with. So this is the wrong preposition with. So answer is belongs to. Answer is belongs to. So the tiger belongs to the cat family, whereas the other two animals have spots. The tiger has strip. The tiger is the bigger and more powerful. So look at the line. Here it is, you know, the most powerful. Superlative degree necessary. So what is needed? Superlative degree necessary. That's why the tiger is the bigger and the most powerful among the cats, and is such a well adapted killer that it can live on prey larger than itself. There is no mistake. It has an awful speed, possessing large eyes, giving binocular and color vision. Its forepaws are long and sharp claws. Its forepaws are long and sharp claws. Its jaws have strong muscles and large tooths. Look at the mistakes here. Large tooths. So tooths plural is wrong. What is the plural of tooth? That is not S. So here large teeth. Large teeth. So here is a mistake. It's very difficult to find out the mistake. Here in this line there are no mistakes, but you may feel that some mistakes there. So what normally the students are doing? They really spot the sentences where mistakes are not there, and they mistakenly, unfortunately, find out the areas where there is no mistake, and the mistakes areas are forgotten. So that's why they get no marks. So here it is large teeth. Its stripe like leopards and jaguar spots are equally effective form of hidden coloration. Let's give more attention to the tiger as a representation. Look at the mistake here. So here noun is not to be used. Noun is not to be used. So here it needs to be adjective. So what? Attention to the tiger as a representative. As a representative. Representative is the form of adjective. Representative of wildlife which should preserve. This is again another wrong there. Passive form is needed. So what is the answer? Should be preserved. D plus B plus verb third. B plus verb third. So now I am counting. What are the mistakes? So mistake number 1. Then second one is the here. Then third one is the here. Then fourth one is the here. Then fifth one is the here. That is 2. Belongs to. Then sixth one the most. Okay. Then seventh one, that is the teeth. Then this one, all of you look 8th, and this one the 9th. And still there is another mistake there. Let us see what are the mistakes we have left out. Belongs to the bigger, more powerful tooths. Yes, there are already 10 mistakes. We have got it. Look a line here. So the tiger is there. So it is only tiger is the national animal of a country. It is an endangered species, particularly the white one. This is the second one. Here the third one. Atal Bihari Vajpayee displayed the picture of a tiger on his greeting card. On that is the fourth one. Okay. In India, the most famous tiger sanctuary is the Gir forest in Gujarat. Like the leopard and the jaguar, the tiger belongs to. Okay, already we have come across the fourth mistake there. First one the tiger, then the second one here the white one, third one here. This is the fourth one, this is the fifth, and this one is the sixth. The tiger is the bigger and the most powerful among the cats and is such a well adapted killer that it can live on prey larger than itself. It has an awful, that is correct, awful speed, possessing large eyes, giving binocular and color vision. Its forepaws are long and sharp claws. Its jaws have strong muscles and large teeth here. Its stripe like leopards and jaguar spots are equally effective form of hidden coloration. Let's give more attention to the tiger as a representative of wildlife which should be preserved. So there are nearly 10 mistakes there, and before Prime Minister you have to use the, then on New Year's Day, then belongs to, then the biggest. Okay. So that is, I told you another mistake there. Yes, here is the mistake, another one there, look a line. So the bigger, the answer is the biggest. Now we have got 10 mistakes here, all of you look. So mistake number 1, I am just pointing here, mistake number 1. Then in this line you get mistake number 2, that is the white one. Then the Prime Minister, mistake number 3. Then on New Year's Day, that is mistake number 4. Then belongs to, it is mistake number 5th. Okay, 5. Then here biggest, this one 6th. The most this one 7th. Now coming here, teeth 8. Then representative, that is the 9. And this one is the 10. So there are 10 mistakes there. It's really difficult to find out the mistakes. So unless and until you have a good practice of it, you can get what are the mistakes there. So one advice to all my students, those who are appearing CHSC second year exam. So at least they have to do 50 to 60 passages. If they are able to do 50 to 60 passages, then easily they can spot the grammar. They can find out what are the mistakes there, and mistakes are actually hidden. It's not easy to find out. Thanks a lot for watching this grammar correction section. It will give you a lot of ideas how to correct it, and in my next video I will do another grammar correction. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.